Alam mo ba kung bakit maraming buyers ang excited sa Aberdeen Estates New Valley ngayon? Because it's not just another lot development. Ready for occupancy na siya at pwede mo nang tayuan ng bahay. Meaning, hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng matagal para simulan ng dream home na matagal mo nang pinaplano. Kung isa ka sa mga naghahanap ng premium lot sa New Valley, this might be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Welcome to Aberdeen Estates New Valley, the third estates project of Abida Land in New Valley, located at the highest peak of New Valley South. So this is an exclusive community, offers the perfect balance of nature, accessibility, and premium living. Spread across 22.6 hectares with 1 hectare dedicated to amenities and open spaces. Aberdeen Estates is thoughtfully designed for families who want more than just a place to live. A place where they can grow, relax, and create lasting memories. Imagine waking up every day with breathtaking views of Mount Makiling, Laguna de Bay, and Tagaytay Ridge. Imagine coming home to a peaceful community after a long day. And the best part, pwede mong i-design at ipatayo ang sarili mong dream home. Whether you prefer a modern, contemporary, or minimalist design, you have the freedom to build a home that truly reflects your style and personality. To preserve the elegance of the community, homes follow architectural guidelines using earth tone colors, creating a visually relaxing and harmonious neighborhood. No eyesores, premium surroundings, well-curated community design, and pure premium living. Available lot cuts range from 158 square meters up to 237 square meters. And since it's already ready for occupancy, you can start planning and build your future home sooner than you think. Message me today for available lots and site viewing schedules. I'm Jenny Lindaligos, the Elegance Estate, showing you elegant properties in the South.